Hey y'all, today we're talking about tornadoes. Thank you for being a part of the Practical Prepper Network. Tornadoes can form in minutes, leaving almost no time to react. Every year, thousands of homes are destroyed and lives are changed forever. But there's good news. Being prepared really does save lives. Today, we'll break down 10 detailed, actionable ways to prepare your family and protect your home before the next tornado strikes. Let's get started. Tip 1. Understand alerts and warning systems. First, you need to know the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. A watch means conditions are right for tornadoes to form. Stay alert and be ready to act. A warning means a tornado has been spotted or indicated on radar. Take shelter immediately. Beyond TV alerts, get a NOAA weather radio with battery backup. These radios keep working when power or cell towers go down. Also, download trusted weather apps that can send location-based alerts even if you're traveling. Tip 2. Build and customize your emergency kit. A tornado emergency kit isn't just a box of batteries and water. Build it to cover at least 72 hours without power, water, or help. Include 1 gallon of water per person per day. Non-perishable food like energy bars and canned goods. Flashlights, extra batteries, power banks. First aid kit, prescription medications, and extra glasses. Important documents sealed in waterproof bags. Baby items, pet supplies, and cash in small bills. If possible, make 2 kits, one in your home safe place, and a smaller go bag if you need to evacuate quickly. Tip 3. Create and practice your family tornado plan. In an actual tornado, you may have only seconds to act. Your family plan should answer 3 questions. Where do we go? How do we get there from every room? Who is responsible for younger kids, pets, or elders? Walk through your home and pick a central, windowless room on the lowest floor, often a bathroom, closet, or basement. Practice moving quickly from bedrooms and living areas to your safe space, even at night. Tip 4. Identify the safest places and why basements offer the best protection because they're underground. But if you don't have one, go to a small interior room with no windows, away from exterior walls and corners. Avoid wide-span rooms like living rooms and garages. Roofs collapse faster there. If you live in a mobile home, your plan must include moving to a nearby shelter. Mobile homes are never safe in tornadoes. Tip 5. Protect critical documents and data. Tornadoes can scatter paperwork for miles. Store key items, IDs, insurance policies, deeds, and medical records in a fireproof and waterproof safe. Also, scan and save them to a secure cloud drive or encrypted USB drive. After a disaster, quick access to these documents speeds up recovery and insurance claims. Tip 6. Secure outdoor and loose items. Strong winds turn patio furniture, grills, and even toys into deadly projectiles. Before severe weather days, move lightweight objects inside. For heavier items like sheds, use ground anchors or straps to reduce risk. Don't forget trampolines and trash cans. They're among the most common causes of damage during storms. Tip 7. Strengthen your home. Consider upgrades that make your home more tornado resistant. Install impact-resistant windows or storm shutters. Reinforce garage doors. Large openings fail first. Bolt the roof to walls and walls to foundation with hurricane straps, especially in new builds or renovations. These steps don't make your home tornado-proof, but they can reduce damage and protect your family. Tip 8. Know your local shelters and routes. Identify official community shelters, friends' basements, or public buildings built to withstand storms. Save addresses and phone numbers in your phone. If you work, study, or shop outside your neighborhood, know shelter options there too. Tornadoes can strike while you're away. Tip 9. Run regular tornado drills. Twice a year, gather everyone at home, even visiting relatives, and practice. Time how quickly you reach the safe spot and talk about improvements. Practice at night too. Tornadoes often hit after dark when you're disoriented. Tip 10. Stay weather aware year-round. The best plan only works if you know when to use it. Install apps with real-time radar and alerts. Follow local meteorologists and emergency managers on social media. Keep your NOAA weather radio ready, especially overnight when most tornado deaths occur. Awareness costs nothing, but saves everything. Tornadoes are unpredictable, but preparation isn't. With these 10 steps, from building a plan to reinforcing your home, you can protect your loved ones and sleep a little easier. Which of these tips will you start with today? Comment below, share with someone you care about, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more survival and preparedness tips.